Hi, I'm Deborah Deal-Blackwell, and I created Mother Nature's Got the Whole World in Her Pockets. In addition to my art practice, I work in the environmental field at 9 Power Clean Water. I've always been interested in preserving and celebrating Mother Nature and incorporating recycled materials whenever possible. I first got inspired by nature when, as a child, my family and I lived on the island of Okinawa in Japan. The Okinawans seemed so in tune with nature, and much of the island was covered with dense greenery. This made a big impact on me. So, making a green dress outfit for this exhibit was inevitable. The jacket is made by wet felting natural wool fibers and has bits of roses and leaves that I dried myself. I like working with natural materials and had to include some here, although I couldn't make the whole outfit out of dried natural materials because I wanted it to be wearable. It was extremely time consuming making the fabric for the coat out of those loose wool fibers. The top underneath the jacket is made from some sparkly sheer material that I had left from a previous project. The many paneled country skirt is made from different cotton fat quarters that I inherited from my mother. Out of hundreds of choices, I selected the quarters that would best work back to the overall theme of the dress.